Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel, guys, we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos like this. And guys, let's just keep it as simple and as beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have Hcmc, or Healthier Choices Management Corporation, and as you can see, Hcmc is sitting at price at the moment, and yeah, the market is actually open at the moment, but that is delighted so far. And as you can see, we are sitting at price of around 0.0009. We are 13% up today, because as you can see, it is what it is. This price is actually really fluctuating. We touched that level. I mean, the low of the yesterday's candle is sitting at price of around 0.0007, which this level is actually being was predicted by me. A lot of people say, oh, it's like it will not touch the 0.0007 level, trust me. All it can do is the last level that you can touch is the 0.0009, and then it will skyrocket, short squeeze to the upside. Bro, it is what it is. We're going to be talking about why does the share price continue to drop. We're going to be continuing about why a lot of people are really scared and they're selling at the lowest price possible. And just keep in mind, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and let's just keep on going. Okay, so let's just keep on with the technical analysis first of all, because we have been kind of pushing into a downtrend. Let's just go to the lower time frames, and as you can see, this is how the chart is constant continuation. Okay, we can kind of draw a trend line right around here, and it can help us a lot. I mean, when I say a lot, not pretty much a lot, but it is what it is. Okay, so at this point, if you just go and click on the volume on the daily chart, you will see how it will look like. Okay, you will see how it looks like. And on the daily chart, actually, I mean, yesterday, not today, the day, it's not the day, they just started, yeah, and it has a lot of volume, half of the volume is at the moment, but it is what it is. I think that we're going to be outsourcing everything today. A lot of people will be buying, and a lot of the institution will be buying too. Then yesterday, the volume was double the daily average, and the day before that, again, the same thing occurred, and so on and so on. But let's just screw up the volume. The market is volatile right here. There are billions of shares that are going on at this point, and yeah, there's not much we can do about it, right? So at this point, if you ask me, oh, should I buy right now? I don't know what to do. What is going to be happening with my shares? I know I'm going to lose money and all the good stuff. It is all to your decisions, bro. I'm in this for the long run, and I do not plan to sell at this point because I'm really low. And what's the point for selling when I will be losing money at this point? So that's when I will be averaging down. And it's kind of reckless for me to say every single day to average down, but it is what it is, because we don't know where the actual bottom will be. Okay, we have some predictions right here, but it is what it is. And why does the share price continue to drop? Okay, paper hands, because they realize they no longer want to wait. I feel like the OTC bets had so much support for the longest time, and now it seems like everyone is selling off because they are tired of waiting. Okay, everyone knew this was a long-term hold. They absolutely knew about it. So just if you go back from one of my previous uploads, you will see me talking about, oh, I know a lot of people buy million shares, and one person say, I bought million shares, and I'm gonna throw back into my dresser, and I will forget about them. I will look the price at 10 years from now, and I will be a millionaire. I'm planning on the target for me at this will be absolutely 15 cents, even 10 cents, and you will make a lot of money from right now. To keep this in just a perspective right here, okay, you will see what 15 cents looks like. Let me just get the ruler, and you can see the huge returns from here on. Okay, so for example, we are at 0.0. We can actually touch the level, but let's just say we're at 0.001 or 0.0011. Okay, to 15 cents, you could be up right around 13,300% to the upside, which is insane. Imagine that on your investment, right? So yeah, I will not lose anything because I'm in this for the long run. I'm just doing updates for you guys. So I think that the paper hands they are close to be shaken out, but we will see what will be happening with that. Okay, and look, I love the price because I'm buying more, and I'm sitting on it for at least 4 or 5 years. I see great things happening with this company aside from the lawsuit, and I will continue to buy and hold. And it's not financial advice. And additionally, the downfall of the price started after they organized pump and dump antics some months back. I don't partake in that stuff and don't advocate it either. Okay, and it's a lot of reasons, especially one of them being too many people look at the share price every single day and get worried when price doesn't move or goes down a bit and sell. This is a super long-term stock, yes. And also, yes, as I said, a lot of reasons. Let's not forget that HCMC is a way overvalued, right? Right now, even at 0.0008 based on its financials, trading 10 times plus its revenue, and even super high growth companies like seldom trade that high. Of course, HMC is only making some money from its supermarkets right now. Okay, the value of its patents, not just the Philip Morris lawsuit, but all of them present and future, aren't being factored into the revenue calculations, right? But buying HMC stock for the unrealized value of its patents is like buying a lottery ticket for the possibility of a win. Not for everyone. This is more of investing in a startup. It's that idea for buying and hoping 5 years from now we begin seeing signs of something more concerned for gains even further off into the future. And I think they're also making money from their vitamin store and vape products too. So it's not only the supermarkets. Additionally, they have a new patent of bulb technology vaping cartridge, okay, with encased heat source designed to avoid potentially toxic reactions between e-liquids, cannabis, CBD oils, and other substances. It's a healthier way to vape. There is no healthy way to vape, but that's what the patent is. Okay, it's just healthier with caption marks. They are extremely proactive in focusing on improving the quality of their business, and the lawsuit is the cherry on the cake. I wish the judge would get off his couch and start making some decisions too, because when some decision happen with the lawsuit, this will go mental to the upside. But this is just my opinion, okay? And I know, and I start making some decisions too. I know that Philip Morris failed Interparts review to validate HMC's patent, which is going to take up to 6 months. They are delaying and inevitable, and Philip Morris is already being sued by RJ Reynolds for 2 of their patents in fragments. So this case is heavily weighted towards HMC, and we will see what will happen with that. Okay. And guys, this is basically it for today. Let me know what are your thoughts about HCMC. I think that HCMC is a beautiful company that you can invest in right now. It is overvalued, and a lot of people are saying, "Oh man, come on, bro! It touched that the lowest point was at 0.0007. At this point, we never touched that after that start of the 2021." Alright, bro, I know a lot of people have been buying right around here. They are pretty down right now, but what all they can do is just average down, because in the future this has a high potential. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.